Alright, this is a quick review of the Marine 31 Mildew Remover. I've actually used other products before. This is the Starbright Mildew Stain Remover and the Starbright Ultimate Vinyl Clean. I've tried those before with subpar results. We're going to try the Marine 31 Mildew Remover. It comes highly recommended for removing the stubborn mildew and different stains like mold and stuff on your seats. So I'm going to try that on my deck gear tarpon tamer stool, and we're going to follow the directions. On the directions on this, it basically says to spray directly onto the surface, allow 1 to 3 minutes. If necessary, agitate with a brush. For stubborn stains, do about 5 minutes before the agitation with a brush. Rinse thoroughly and dry. So we're going to do that and see how it turns out. This is the follow-up of the Marine 31 mildew remover that I used on my deck gear seat. I did use a basic kitchen scrub brush to scrub the seat, rinsed it off, all that good stuff. I did buy the 32-ounce container. This was about $30. I bought it on Amazon. Overall, I'd have to probably give this product about a B+. Worked pretty well. It might have actually put a couple white stains on the seat, which I'm not too worried about, but did a pretty good job. You know, the stains are still fairly visible, but you know, those are the deeper stains. So I would recommend this product. Let me know if you've had better results with a different product or anything else. I did not use the magic erasers. You can use magic erasers to scrub a lot of things. They're very abrasive. I just didn't feel like it was necessary to get it absolutely spotless on the seat. It did a pretty good job. So again, B+, that's my review. Captain Andrew Crabtree in St. Pete, Florida. Thanks for watching.